Have you ever wondered what makes free-range chickens different from caged ones? And how are they raised to be clean, healthy, and delicious? Let's take you on a quick tour of a free-range chicken farm nestled on a peaceful hillside where chickens grow naturally in harmony with nature. This is a model of fully natural farming. Chickens roam freely all day, scratching the soil, feeding on insects and wild greens. No confinement, no industrial feed, and no antibiotics. Each chicken runs and plays under the trees, with golden skin and firm meat. This is the secret behind the rich, authentic flavor of free-range chicken. They're raised for 4 to 5 months before being harvested, fed with a carefully mixed diet of corn, rice, and green vegetables. They drink clean spring water, and their living area is always kept airy and hygienic. Not only does this ensure food safety, but it also protects the environment and provides sustainable jobs for local communities. The free-range chicken farm. It's more than just a place for poultry. It's a green ecosystem where nature, people, and sustainable development come together. Come visit the farm, feel the peace, and savor the true taste of authentic free-range chicken.